Hello guys, I am Ravindra. So in this video I will show you how you can install NetBean in your computer system or laptop. So to install NetBean you need to have setup for two things. One is your JDK, which is Java Development Kit, and you need NetBean to be installed in your system. So in this video I will let you know how you can install NetBean. So I will guide you step by step. You need to go through the entire video and you will be able to come to know how you can install NetBean in your system. I am having lower versions of JDK and NetBeans. If you want to go with the latest version, then you can download the setup for both the things from the internet. So to install NetBean, first you need to install JDK. So now I am showing how you can install JDK. So you can just double click on the setup. This is my JDK setup. So I am double clicking on this. You can install it the way you are installing the ordinary softwares. Click on yes. Then you can click on next. See here you don't need to do anything. The only thing is if you want to change the path where Java Development Kit is about to install. In that case you can change the path, otherwise you can click on next. It will take little bit time, so you need to wait. Yeah, and you can see it is asking for a destination folder. If you want to change the folder for JRE, JRE stands for Java Runtime Environment. So JDK and JRE both needs to be installed if you want to go with NetBean. So you need to install JRE as well. Click on next. As of now JDK 14 and JDK 15 is also available. So if you want to install the latest version, then also you can do it, and the process will be very similar. The way you are installing JDK 1.8, similarly you can install JDK 14 or 15. Same way for NetBean, nowadays the version which is 12 and 13 which is also available. So if you want to go with the latest version of NetBean, just go and find out it from the internet and you can install the latest version. So now it has been installed successfully. Let me just close it. So now I can say JDK is installed in my system, and to check whether JDK is installed or not, you can open command prompt and you can type Java C and just give enter. See, now I am getting all the commands of Java. So it means JDK is installed in my computer system. Now I can start programming in Java. So as of now you can do it in normal editors, but now let's say if you want to start programming in the IDEs, then NetBean is one of the IDE, and if you want to install NetBean, then you must need setup for NetBean also. So I am having NetBean 8.0, so let me show you how you can install this NetBean. Just double click on this, click on yes. See, it will take little bit more time because the setup is bigger. You can see whenever you will try to install NetBean, then the installer is asking for these many things to install: Java software environment, HTML5, C++. So you can do all kind of programming in this IDE. Just click on next. If you want to customize it, you can do it. You can see. If you want to go for advanced Java, then you can install Apache Tomcat web server as well. But as of now I don't want to install that, and from this also if you don't want to go with other programming languages, then you can remove it. But let me just install everything. Click on next. I accept. Next. Again I accept. Next. Here again it will ask for the directory where NetBean is about to install. So if you want to change it, you can change it from here. And see, for JDK also it has taken this path. So my JDK was installed in program files, and under that there is one folder which is Java. So you need to make sure that this path is correct, otherwise you will not be able to run your NetBean. Click on next, again next, and install it. So as I said, this setup is little bit longer, so it will take a little bit more time compared to JDK. So as of now I am just pausing this video so that it will save a little bit time. So now you can see installation is completed successfully. So just by clicking on finish, you can say you have successfully installed JDK and NetBean in your laptop. So now let me just click on finish, and you can see I am able to find this shortcut NetBean ID 8.0.1. So to start this, I can just double click on this, and you will be able to start your programming in this NetBean ID. It's very easy to install. So there you are, you can see the NetBean ID. So now I can go with file option, I can create new project, and you can see I am able to find all the programming languages. I can do the programming using HTML5, I can do it using C and C++. As of now I have installed it for Java programming, so I can select on Java, I can click on Java application, next, and very soon it will activate Java software environment, and I will be able to write all the code, all the programs of Java programming using this ID. And this is very interesting ID. This is very easy to use and you will enjoy it like anything. Yeah, you can see you can give project name, click on. So now you can install a NetBean in your computer system or laptop. So the intention of this video was to make you aware that how you can install NetBean. And so now you can wait and download the latest version of NetBean and try to install both the things when I have access. Thank you all.